Yes,
You all have seen her on Facebook through her videos. You will recognize her once she comes on stage.
Her name is Nihal Naseem. Have you guys heard of Nihal Naseem? Yeah?
You're gonna see her tonight, and what a bundle of joy.
Look at this!
Hello, everybody.
Okay, so Nihal has her own tune. Nihal, what are you going to be singing for us?
Manmail and Teri Diwani. Teri Diwani.
Teri Diwani. Correct.
Yeah.
Wow, that's going to be... I'm going to stay around. Can you do it?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Alright, yes. Okay, so we're going to let you take over the stage. You can come to the center. I'm going to find out where your guitar player is. Can you hum something for the crowd till then?
Kya?
Go.
Okay.
Round of applause, guys.
और जबड़े आई टप टप गलियां अब दिखो मैं तेनू मल मल अखियां माही मैं तेनू समझावा की गलियां लव जी फिर